You want some help?
No.
Okay. Is that Isaac? It says at Grammy's. Oh, wow. Is that what Isaac says? Oh, wow. Here, let's start at the beginning. What's that? Hello, big cow. How are you? And the cow can go up the bridge. Remember? The cow going up the bridge?
Dinosaur?
Yeah, there's a dinosaur. Who else is playing?
Cow.
Yeah. Who's that?
Piglet.
I know. Did you know Piglet was there?
Piglet's the name.
Yep. Where's the bunny? Oh, there's the bunny is sleeping. Shh.
And money.
Yeah, the money.
It is a go ride.
Yep.
Whee! My bunny.
Mm-hmm.
A bunny.
Yeah, the bunny is sleeping.
Mine.
What are you doing in this picture, Isaac? What are you doing? Are you throwing the big ball? Because Isaac can throw the big ball. Throwing it up in the air.
Up in the air.
Yeah. Can you say helicopter?
Helicopter.
That's right.
Hurry.
What's in this?
No other
Is there M&Ms in there? Yeah. Who's that?
Bill.
No, who is that?
Gummy.
That's Tim.
Tim.
Yes, Tim loves Isaac. Isaac's going night-night. See Tim and Isaac?
Yeah, Daddy. Other.
Yeah, it's Daddy. Who's that?
Daddy. Mommy.
Mommy.
The other.
Isaac and Mommy.
And Daddy.
And Daddy. What's that?
Other.
No, what's this?
Choo-choo.
Yep, that's your choo-choo. It goes chugga chugga choo-choo. Next page. What are you doing in that picture?
Mama put it.
Oh yes, you hold it.
That's picture.
Yeah. Or you smile. Yep.
Darling.
There's Mommy.
Yeah, Mommy. Hi.
Yep. Hi.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Daddy.
Yeah.
Hi, Daddy.
All right. Next page.
This way.
Let's see. Which way are we going? This way.
This way.
Isaac says cheese.
This. And this.
Isaac.
And this.
Who's that?
Mommy.
That's Diane.
Mommy.
Diane.
Hey, Mommy.
Yep. You play money. Next page.
This way.
Oh, Isaac can be nice to Daisy. You giving her a hug?
Good hard.
Yeah. What are you doing here?
A car.
Yeah, you playing at cars? Look at all those cars.
I want to. Mommy.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job. What is in that bag, Isaac? Hmm?
Lap.
Lips, that's right. What's Nani doing?
And next
She putting on lips?
day.
Yeah, that was funny, wasn't it?
And I lip.
Does Isaac want some too? Oh, yes, please. Isaac gets lips. Did Nani put some lips on Isaac? Yeah, that was fun, wasn't it?
With her lip.
Yeah, it was fun. Oh, look at how pretty Isaac is now. Pretty. Nani loves Isaac.
Over the lip.
Yep, got lips on both of you. Now you're looking in the mirror.
Yay.
Yeah, look at your pretty lips.
Her lip.
Yeah. Ooh, what are those, Isaac?
Sit down.
You sitting down,
A piano.
and this is your piano. Yeah.
A piano.
You singing a song at the piano?
A play. A push.
Yeah. Do you push the keys?
push T.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there you are playing the piano again.
My piano?
Yeah, that's Nani's piano.
Huh?
Nani's piano.
My piano?
Yep, Nani's piano.
Yeah, I
Ooh. Do you remember those? From Ozzy's?
did. I
Yeah. That's the Wizard of Oz. Remember when we had lunch at Ozzy's?
did.
Yeah.
I got me.
Yeah, that's right. There's Grammy.
Like Daddy
Yes.
and Mommy.
Yes. Who else?
And then
Good job. It is so delicious.
Mommy.
No, that's Diane.
Daddy.
She plays Giddy Up, Whoa with Isaac. He's a horse? Yeah. What's this?
And milk.
That's right, Isaac's milk. Whoa. Look how big your tower is, Isaac.
And what
Tall tower. Next page.
Let's play.
It says Grammy loves Isaac. Why are you so cute?
I did
Isaac's cute.
this. Let's play.